It is so important to go to where they are and to bring services to them.
The province has launched a new youth outreach center in Vancouver's downtown Eastside for 50 to 24-year-olds struggling to find housing or who need mental health and substance use supports. But advocates say for it to work, the team needs to work on building trust. Peer support worker Cully Sudgmore says for the project to work, they need to be consistent and approachable.
I hope they make it function well enough that it will actually support youth and stuff like that. And why a lot of youth get out are like feel unsafe in spaces because they just don't feel comfortable in spaces, especially if there's a lot of adults hanging around, or just like they don't feel like they can be comfortable there because they can't talk openly with staff or anything like that.
The team will have an Indigenous peer advocate, social workers, and nurses.
This team was developed by Vancouver Coastal out of the recognition of a real significant need to address increasing youth homelessness.
And we then go about and they do their magic of trying to find the youth where they typically hang out, have some description of what they look like, and then we start just engaging with them.
The Outreach Centre at 786 Powell Street is being operated by Vancouver Coastal Health and is open from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. There's a kitchen stocked with food and drinks, a small lounge, computers and phones, and these murals were painted by 3 Coast Salish artists. Vancouver Coastal Health tells City News in a statement, once it's finished hiring, the team will have 8 full-time staff.
But if you have good outreach workers who go out and they seek out individuals and they get to know them, that development of trust, that really small beginning, can be the seed that plants life change.
The space has small treatment and consultation rooms for healthcare, and while it isn't technically a supervised drug use site, the team has trained substance use nurses to help.
I think if they are able to trust us and build those relationships with the staff and expand those relationships to access even more services, I would say that definitely is a success for us.
In Vancouver, Kier Junos, City News.